Today's video is brought to you by URCD Keys, the best source for Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys at deeply discounted prices. More details at the end of the video.
Play competitive Call of Duty, need 200 plus frames at 1080p, medium low settings, also double 1440p 80 plus frames on AAA games. I have an i9 9900K, 16 gigs of RAM. What GPU? Wait on the newest GPUs or use the 1080 Ti?
I don't think a 1080 Ti is going to be enough for that. A 3080 would be a nice change. A 3080 Ti would be nicer, but here's the kicker. I don't think you need the 20 gigs of VRAM. You want frame rate, not high resolution.
Correct.
So actually the 3080 would probably be the better deal because the 3080 Ti is going to be $300 more. And the performance isn't going to be a big jump. It's going to be the VRAM to 20 gigs of VRAM that's going to make a difference. So in your case, at 200 frames a second at 1080p or AAA gaming at 1440p, I would replace the 1080 Ti with a 3080.
More RAM?
And you need more RAM. You'll be surprised.
You don't have enough
You
RAM.
want to play Call of Duty competitive with 16 gigs of RAM?
64?
Yeah, 64. Actually, now that you... Or if he's got 16, add 32 for 48. Don't add 16, add 32. It's $100.
I know.
The 48 gigs of RAM will give Windows room to breathe, disk cache room to breathe. It'll take the load off your SSD. It'll let the game breathe. And since we all know how well optimized Activision's downloads and installs have been lately.
He says, what about the RX 6800?
I haven't used one. I don't know.
We don't know. We don't have one.
I don't have one. The 3080 is really nice. I'm sure the 6800 XT is fine. AMD's cards give more value for the money than NVIDIA's cards. But NVIDIA's cards can be ridiculously consistent. We'll see once I've actually gotten a 6800 XT to play with it. URCD Keys is the best source for genuine Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys that work the first time, every time. For the month of December, get a bonus of 28% off normal prices using our discount code BST and the link in the video description below. Less than $15 gets you a Windows 10 Professional OEM key. It's a real product key and activates directly with Microsoft. Use it forever as it links to your Microsoft account and works through reinstalls. Get a full copy of Office 2019 Professional Plus for under $50 that redeems at setup.office.com using your Microsoft account. Also works forever through reinstalls. We have been using URCD keys for almost 3 years and recommend you do as well.